cheese is coming out. Yummy. Okay, let's check the cheeseburger dynamite if they're cooked inside. Yes, they are. They're cooked inside. The cheeseburger dynamite lumpia. Some of this sauce, lumpia sauce. Okay. Hello guys, I'm gonna make some dynamite lumpia using this Serrano chili. This time I'm going to use ground beef, lumpia wrapper, mozzarella cheese, some salt, garlic salt, onion powder, black peppercorn. This one is very simple compared to the first dynamite lumpia that I made. Okay, so those are the ingredients. Okay guys, the first thing we have to do is cut this pepper, this chili pepper in the middle, like that. And cut it again over here. Not all the way down, just halfway. Then you open it, like that. You see all the seed? Now, I'm going to take them out because they're too spicy. So all you have to do is scoop them up like this. Just like that. And they should look like this. Okay, and then we're gonna put the hamburger inside and the cheese and then wrap it with a spring roll, lumpia wrappers. And then we'll fry them and they should taste like cheeseburger, spicy lumpia. Okay? Next is we're going to prepare the ground beef. We're not gonna use all of this because we don't need a lot of meat. We're gonna use only half. Now we're gonna season the ground beef. We're gonna put garlic salt, just eyeball it. I don't really measure. Green onion. It's a simple recipe. Black pepper. I like it with a lot of black pepper. Okay. Some salt, not too much, because we already used garlic salt. Like that. Now you mix it. Mix it with your hand. Just mix it like this to get all the seasoning together with the ground beef. Cover with the saran wrap and then put it in the fridge. The next thing you're gonna do is cut the mozzarella cheese. Okay. Let's get the cheese ready. So we're gonna cut it like this, like that, and then we put it over here together with the meat inside. Okay, just like this size. Like this. Now we're going to separate the lumpia wrapper. The lumpia wrapper are easy to separate. Just go like this, carefully. Just like that. Put them over there. See? Okay, we'll continue separating the lumpia wrapper. Get one of this pepper. Just put a little bit meat, like this. See that? Put one cheese. Stuff it like that. Then you're gonna lay it down there. Then like this. Cover them like that, like a blanket. And then we need a little bit water. Wet this part. Let's put the water here. Wet this part. Then you're gonna wrap. Let's turn it around. Wet it again. It's not really wet. It's gonna come out like this. I don't know what to call this. I can say hot spicy cheeseburger wrapped in a lumpia. Okay, so that's number one. This one is big and it's got some seed inside. Then you put the ground beef inside, press it, and then put the mozzarella cheese inside, press it tight like that, and then you put it there, then fold it like that, and then you wet it. Then you roll the wrapper tight. Keep on rolling it. That's beautiful. Okay? So I should call this cheeseburger dynamite lumpia. There you go. Cheeseburger dynamite lumpia. Okay guys, we're doing the last one. Altogether we made 25. We made 25 cheeseburger dynamite lumpia. Karakaldareta? Yun kaya mga kareta? Okay, last one. Put more water. Like this. Okay, we're done. Oh, heavy. This is what we made. Cheeseburger dynamite lumpia. We're gonna have some for dinner tonight. I'm going to cook rice and some of this for my husband. And I put some in the Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put them in the freezer. Okay guys, it's time to cook the cheeseburger dynamite lumpia. Some oil. We're gonna throw this little piece of lumpia wrapper. If it's bubbling, I think the oil is ready. Honey, I'm starting to cook your dinner. Okay. Go. Guys, the fire is on low or medium. Low, medium. We don't want to burn the wrappers and not cook inside. I think the cheese is coming out. So just keep on turning them. Starting to look good. Honey, get ready. Ooh, cheese is coming out. Yummy. Can you see the cheese? It's in the middle. You guys have X-ray eyes. See the cheese inside? See that? It's still inside. Wow, some of the cheese came out. But it's okay. This is how they look like. We're gonna check. Okay, let's check the cheeseburger dynamite if they're cooked inside. Yes, they are. They're cooked inside. Time to fix my husband's plate. First, we gotta put butter on his rice because he likes butter. Then we're gonna put pepper, salt, the cheeseburger dynamite lumpia, some of this sauce, lumpia sauce, okay. Here's the king. And here's the food, honey.
Serve me. I am your king.
I must serve my king.
Call me girls.
Again? They haven't called you yet?
What is this thing? Do I need to light it?
Honey, those are cheeseburger dynamite lumpia.
What do
That's
I,
the cheese. Those, no,
what do I do with that?
nothing. It's the stem. I didn't take it out. Dip it on your sauce.
What's this stuff?
The cheese came out while I was cooking it.
Dynamite.
Show me. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
That's a cheeseburger. It's hamburger that I used this time.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy? Approved by the king? What?
We'll see if it makes me fart.
Oh my goodness. Okay. The last three are done. My husband said they're very spicy. Now I'm gonna make my plate on my dynamite lumpia. I wanna cut mine. I wanna cut them in half because they're too big. Like that. Cut it in half. Ooh. My goodness. It's my plate. Now I'm gonna eat mine.
Wonder if she was aware of where her brother was and what a cool double victory it could have been for the family. But Bogey at 16 saw her one back. This was her
Dip it in my sauce.
17th and missed the green. Run at 12 5 with Bogey again. Ultimately, 1/73 saw her finish down in a tie for 6. But Minwoo wasn't going anywhere, pitching for his second hit at 50.
Kind of spicy.
Shot here, finished third at the Australian PGA before Christmas, so he got some confidence. He's taking it to this tournament as well.
That got him to 19 under, gave him a 2-stroke lead, and on 18, he's definitely par 5, leading just by 1 at this point.
If I grade the Serrano pepper 1 to 10, I think there's 7. The spice.
He can't hit it, and you know what? Minji is a proud sister.
My husband cannot handle it. See if I can handle it. It's spicy but good.
He's following in her footsteps. Meanwhile, the women's portion of the event actually had to go extra holes. Came down to a 3-way playoff between 3 Koreans, Ian Park, Jim Choi, and So Young Yu. With the second extra hole, where Yu was putting to birdie to remain in the playoff.
Yes, you actually had a chance to win the regulation just
Look,
exactly cut.
I got more to eat.
So that saw her out of it, and we will do a couple extra holes.
I'm gonna eat all this.
Actually, my mouth is on fire.
It's really good. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it.